Boudreaux! Sally Mae! What are you guys doing, man? You got the whole atheist YouTube community upset? Oh, man, you take out your guns. Yoka, you know, until you mentioned it, I didn't see atheists either. I don't think they exist. I lack the ability to see atheists. It's just a lack of something. You disagree? Were you trying to start a fight? You're shaking your head at me? You gonna start a fight, huh? Don't give me that. What? What is it? Is that black rose? Stinker? No, it's another wildcat. Don't pee in here. Okay, virtual Holocaust? What was that? I mean, what was that? Woo! Yeah, creepy. I mean, you're so smart, aren't you? You're like so smart. You're like the smartest atheist on YouTube, aren't you? Uh-huh. Come on. So, here's the Bible lesson. When you say, how come there wasn't any gods before your gods or with your gods? How come your Bible doesn't mention anything about gods? You know, my Bible mentions a lot about other gods. And then you wonder why God was so mad. You know, oh, your God was just so angry and malevolent and malevolent and all kinds of big effing words. Melanchomaniacal. Melanchomaniacal. Duck, I'm still waiting for a positive story about your childhood. Okay, if you don't have any, you know, that growing up in an atheist country has destroyed you for life because you have no comfort. There is no comfort in the fact that there's emptiness now until you come to meet the American atheists are going to tell you how to think. And you're willing to trade it all in like it's some kind of numbers game, Joe-Bot, that it's all worth it. It's worth it for the pride and the arrogance of now. That's, yeah. You don't understand the Bible. You don't want to understand the Bible. You want us to spoon-feed it to you, and yet we don't speak the same language. You guys speak some kind of effing language. Effing got every one of them. They're all saying the F word. They're upset. You can't go around saying they don't exist. I mean, it's like saying Richard Dawkins doesn't exist. Oh man, what were you thinking? Everyone's bent out of shape now. They were just finally starting to settle down. And now you got them all wound up again.